How to sign up for the Shein affiliate program. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can sign up for the Shein affiliate program. Just make sure to stick with me till the end so you don't miss any steps. So, let's get started. Alright, so first up, Shein doesn't actually have a built-in affiliate section right on their website. So unlike other stores where you scroll down to the bottom and see something like affiliate program in the footer, Shein actually runs their affiliate program through an external platform called CJ Affiliate. That's why we're going to go through CJ to sign up and get approved. So here's what you need to do. Open up a new tab and head over to Google. In the search bar, just type in CJ Affiliate, or you can go straight to their website at cj.com. Once you're there, you'll see a big headline talking about partnerships and advertisers. What you want to do is head up to the top right-hand corner and click on Get Started. Now you'll be presented with two options, Advertiser and Publisher. You're going to choose Publisher because you're the one promoting other companies' products. Click on that and it'll take you into the sign-up process. Now just go ahead and fill out the basics. Select your country. Type in your email. Create a strong password. Confirm it and go through the simple CAPTCHA to prove you're not a robot. Once you've submitted that, CJ will send a verification email to your inbox. Open it, click the link, and it'll bring you right back to the site so you can finish setting things up. Now here comes an important part, terms and conditions. CJ Affiliate wants you to read and agree to a few agreements before you can fully access the platform. You'll see checkboxes, but you won't be able to tick them until you click on each of the links. Just click on each agreement link one by one, open them, scroll down a bit, and once you've viewed each document, the option to agree will unlock. Go ahead and accept all of them and continue to your account. Now once that's done, you'll land on your CJ dashboard. It's a little plain at first, but don't worry, we're going to get it set up right. This is where you want to start filling in your details so brands like Shein will take your application seriously. Write a short but clear description of who you are and how you plan to promote affiliate products. For example, mention if you run a blog, YouTube channel, Instagram page, TikTok, or even an email newsletter. Just explain where you plan to share affiliate links and how you'll reach people. You don't need to write a novel, but give them something solid. Next, under Manage Promotional Properties, you'll want to create a new property. A property is basically a place where you promote links, like your website or your TikTok profile. Click on Create Property. And just like before, enter the name of your platform, the URL if you have one, and again describe how you plan to use it for affiliate marketing. Don't skip this part. It's super important. If your profile is empty, there's a high chance Shein will just ignore the application. All right, once all of that is saved, go back to the homepage or dashboard, and now we're ready to actually apply to Shein's affiliate program. Click on the Partners tab at the top. Then go to Find Advertisers. This will bring up a search screen with thousands of companies listed. In the search bar, just type Shein. If nothing shows up right away, it might be because your filter is set to My Advertisers instead of All. So just change that drop-down to All. And hit Search again. Now you should see Shein pop up in the results. You'll see a little summary of their affiliate program, like the average commission rate and approval requirements. If you see an Apply button, click on it. That's going to send your request for review. If they like what they see in your profile, they'll approve your application. It can take a few hours or sometimes a few days depending on how busy they are. Once you're approved, you'll see a Get Links option next to Shein, and from there, you can start grabbing your affiliate links and sharing them wherever you like, Instagram, YouTube, blogs, emails, whatever platform works for you. And that's it. You're now in the Shein affiliate program and ready to start earning commission on every sale you refer. Just remember to track your performance from your CJ dashboard and make sure to promote products that actually match your audience. Hope this helped you out and made everything clear. Thanks for watching.